AI Basics. Beginner Level. Introduction. Artificial Intelligence. AI is one of the most exciting technologies in modern computing. AI allows computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Examples of AI systems include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems on Netflix and YouTube, chatbots and virtual assistants, self-driving cars, image recognition systems. AI is used in many industries such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. Understanding AI basics helps beginners learn how computers can analyze data, learn patterns, and make decisions. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to simulate human intelligence. In simple words, AI equals machines that can learn, think, and make decisions. Instead of following only fixed instructions, AI systems can analyze data and improve their performance over time. Example of AI in everyday life. AI is already part of daily life. Examples include Google Maps suggesting the fastest route, Netflix recommending movies, email spam filters detecting unwanted emails, face recognition in smartphones. These systems use AI to analyze patterns and make predictions. How AI works. AI systems usually follow three main steps. Step 1. Collect data. AI systems learn from data. Examples of data include images, text, numbers, user behavior. Example dataset: images of cats, images of dogs. The system learns the differences between them. Step 2. Train a model. The AI system analyzes the data to find patterns. Example: if thousands of cat images contain pointy ears and whiskers, the AI learns those features. This training process builds a model. Step 3. Make predictions. Once trained, the model can make predictions. Example: input means new image. AI model means analyzes image. Output means cat. This allows the system to recognize objects. Simple example of AI logic. Imagine a simple AI that detects spam emails. Rule-based logic. If email contains many suspicious words, mark as spam. Else, allow email. Modern AI improves this by learning from millions of examples instead of fixed rules. Types of artificial intelligence. AI can be divided into several categories. Narrow AI. Narrow AI is designed for a specific task. Examples: voice assistants, recommendation systems, chatbots. Most AI today is narrow AI. General AI. General AI refers to machines that can perform any intellectual task a human can do. This type of AI does not yet exist. Super AI. Super AI refers to machines that are more intelligent than humans. This is currently theoretical. AI versus machine learning. Many people confuse AI with machine learning. AI is the broader concept. Machine learning is a method used to build AI systems. Example: AI, machine learning, deep learning. Machine learning allows systems to learn patterns from data automatically. Example: simple machine learning idea. Imagine predicting house prices. Data might include size, bedrooms price, $1,000 to $200,000, $1,500 to $300,000. The model learns the relationship between size, bedrooms, and price. Then it can predict the price of a new house. Real-life analogy. AI learning is similar to how humans learn from experience. Example: a child learns to recognize dogs by seeing many dogs. Eventually the child can identify a dog instantly. AI systems learn in a similar way by analyzing large datasets. Where AI is used. AI is used in many areas such as healthcare, self-driving vehicles, fraud detection, customer support chatbots, online recommendations, image recognition, speech recognition. AI is rapidly transforming many industries. Example: I in Python. Conceptual. Example: data equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Average equals sum. Data. Len. Data. Print. Average. Quote. Average. Although this is not full AI, it shows how programs analyze data to produce results. Real AI systems use advanced algorithms and large datasets. Concepts learned from AI basics. Understanding AI basics helps beginners learn. Checkmark data analysis. Checkmark pattern recognition. Checkmark machine learning concepts. Checkmark automation systems. These concepts are becoming increasingly important in modern technology. Skills needed to learn AI. People interested in AI often learn programming. Python is common. Mathematics, statistics, data analysis, machine learning algorithms. These skills help build intelligent systems. Simple definition: artificial intelligence, AI, technology that allows computers to simulate human intelligence and perform tasks such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. Final summary: artificial intelligence allows computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI systems work by collecting data, learning patterns from data, making predictions or decisions. AI is widely used in modern technology and continues to grow rapidly. Learning AI basics helps programmers understand how intelligent systems are built and how machines can learn from data.